How many fish? I get to the 6th page so I can start reading. How many fish? How many fish? 6 little fish in the bay. Where do they go? Why do they go?
Don't forget that page.
6 little fish on their way. How many feet? How many feet? 6 little feet in the bay. 6 little feet on their way. How many fish? How many fish? 1 little fish in the bay, baby. Wise. Where's yellow fish? Where's yellow fish? Poor yellow fish. Lost its way. How many feet? How many? 2 little feet. In the bay. Where's the red pail? Where's the red pail? 2 little feet dash away. One happy fish. One happy fish. One happy fish on its way. Look at that. That's the next one. How many fish? How many fish? 6 little fish in the bay. The end. Did you record it?